Well, I've done a video on the how I get the boat on and off the ute here, and had a few people ask me how I go about with my motor, what I do with my motor, how I store it, get it in and out the ute. So I'll knock this one together and just show you how I go about that. So as usual, first thing I do, grab yourself a cold one and keep yourself hydrated, because I'm up in Darwin at the moment. Tell you what, it's just a bit warm up here, sweating like anything. Anyway, alrighty. Okay, I'll just swing around the side here and show you where the motor is. So that's where it is there. That's where I keep it in the ute, and I'll show you a bit more about the trolley setup when I get it out. So it's held in place by ratchet strap here, another one up the other end there, and these two little wheels, which again I'll show you a bit after. They sit into the little buckets of the tie down points here. So we'll get the tie downs off, and then okay, that's one side. I'll swing around the other side now. We'll show you the other end of it. Okay, now there's the other end. That's tied down there. Just a rag over there to hold this all down in place. And you can see it's even with that other end off, it doesn't move. The whole motor's just solid. So, and I've got this bracket here I've made up to go when you tighten the tie down straps down. You don't want it tightening down on your tyres, so that just tightens down and pulls down on that rather than on your tyres. Okay, all right. So I'll undo this end like so, and then it's just a matter of pulling it out. Really, just as you can see, just give it a yank. Now, see, that whole thing rolls now because it's rolling on those back wheels and those little wheels up the other end there. So I can actually just roll it out of the whole tray, whole back of the ute there. Alrighty, so we'll pull that out now, and let's get the mister to hold the camera. Right, I'll just wheel it out of the ute now. So like I said a minute, I can roll this now because it's running on those four wheels. So I'll just pull this out here. We'll go past the edge, just drop it down, and that's it. How easy is that? So then with this setup, I can also wheel it around. So I'm not carrying it, I can wheel it over to the boat or wherever that is, and that makes it really simple. Now I'll just show you the trolley. Give me this here, please, Dale. Thanks. Now what I've done with this, it's just a Bunnings trolley at 25 bucks from Bunnings. I'll just put these wheels up here for this end of it, and got them at the right height to sit on my tray. So that just sits over there. I'll show that again in a sec. Also what I did, the bottom wheels, they used to be on the outside, which obviously if you've got two of them on each side, it's going to make the trolley that much wider. So I just put them on the inside and just trimmed the axle up a little bit, and that way it just makes a bit more room inside the ute. That's quite alright. You can still no worries about wheeling it around. Just got to hang on to it a little bit, and you can still wheel it around, no worries. So I'll just say putting it back on. So same again, you can get your motor off your boat, wheel it to your car or to the vehicle, spin it around. Now see how those wheels here sit just on top of the tray here. So that way when I just down here, please, Dale, put this little handle on it, I just pick it up. It's pivoting off the front wheels up there. I'm not carrying the whole motor, I'm only lifting pretty much half of it. In it goes, see? And I can just wheel it straight in, drop it into those little the tie down points up the end there, and lash it down with the ratchet straps. So I'll just pull it back out again. Easy as. Up to the ground. That's it. Spin around now. I can wheel it to the boat. It will it's on reasonably flat ground. Oh, usually it will stand up. Hang on. Turn it around a bit. Yeah, so no worries there. Just what else I've done was, what I do here, just a bit of old patio tubing there, so the your transom clamp onto that, and that's what holds that into the motor. Down the bottom here, just made up this bit of a V thing for the bottom of the leg to sit in, a little bit of insertion rubber stuck on the inside so it doesn't scratch the shit out of it. And once that's in the vehicle, the ratchet strap which goes across here holds all that down nice and tight, and the other one goes up the other end and it doesn't move. So pretty easy, cheap way of doing it, pretty simple. I do like this system because I can actually wheel it around. Whoops. So I can actually wheel it around like I showed you. You know, there's a heap of different ways of doing all this. You get those ones that slide out, then you've got to pick your motor up, carry it, and take it to your boat. So this way I can put it on the trolley, well, it's always on the trolley, and I can wheel it. I'm not carrying it, because boat motors are just awkward bloody things to pick up, carry, try and tie them down in the back of vehicles or on the back of your bull bar or back of your tow bar hitch or whatever, however you want to do it. But anyway, I find that's a real simple way, cheap, a little bit of, you know, if you're a bit handy to make stuff like this up, it works good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make any comments about anything, just put it in the bottom of the comment box. Righto, I'll see you after.